Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Home2 Suites by Hilton Long Island Brookhaven. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Home2 Suites by Hilton Long Island Brookhaven is located in Yaphank, 13 miles from Splish Splash. With free Wi-Fi, this 3-star hotel offers an ATM and a business center. The hotel has an indoor pool, fitness center and a 24-hour front desk. All guest rooms come with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a fridge, a coffee machine, a shower, free toiletries and a desk. Some rooms also offer a kitchenette with a microwave. All rooms feature a private bathroom, a hairdryer and bed linen. The nearest airport is Long Island MacArthur Airport, 12 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.